Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for October 30th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a bounce for U.S. equities today. Will it last or not? That's a whole other story. But for now, traders are breathing a sigh of relief as the Dow was up 431 points today. The S&P 500 was up 41 points, while the Nasdaq was up a healthy 111 points. And the Russell managed to gain almost 30 points today. So a very healthy bounce. All four of these equity index charts did close near their daily highs as well, which usually means there'll be some follow through tomorrow. But again, how far? Will we just hit, a level of support here, or overhead resistance and then roll over? Or can we actually get something going to the upside? Right now, I think a short-lived bounce seems much more likely, but we'll keep an eye on it. The bond market today did trade lower, and the yield on the 10-year note edged up. It is now at 3.127%. While crude oil remains under pressure, it dropped another 66 cents, or almost 1% at the official close. And gold hit a two-week low. Here, pulling back again on strength in the dollar. If you look at the dollar index here, we are at a new 52-week high. So we just surpassed that 97 mark that we've been talking about. So we'll continue to keep an eye on the US dollar. Now, after market close, Facebook released earnings. Everyone was holding their breath here to see what Facebook would do. Well, they came in at $1.76 versus an expected number of $1.47. So they beat handily there on earnings, but they did miss on the revenue number and as well on the daily active users number. And currently they are down about 4% after market hours, down about 6 points or so. Can this recover? I see this as being very similar to those index charts. I think we can get a bit of a bounce going, if anything. I mean, looking right now at what we see after market hours, we may get a gap lower here and continue to flush. So I seriously doubt this is a bottom for the stock. And looking at this, just the way we finished today was a healthy finish, closing near the highs of the day. I was going to suggest we have a bit more upside here into these previous lows and then roll over, but it looks like we might even get a gap lower tomorrow morning. You look at the weekly chart, and we've already blown through these lows. So a continuation here, I think, gets us to 130 easy on the next move. And on the monthly chart, here we are, we're starting to roll over now. So 130, which comes in right around these highs here, is the next stop, in my opinion. And if we don't hold support there, we can certainly go much lower on Facebook. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.